Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the AutoFox W10 wireless RV backup camera with 7-inch HD monitor. Infrared night vision, it's a rear view camera for your cars, for your trucks, for travel trailers, campers, etc, etc, etc. We have here a large display. A vivid image restoration is 7-inch monitor utilities and advanced chip to produce a crystal and vivid image without over saturated color like pink or purple. It works with 135 degrees wide view angle. No narrow or distorted situation. It's easy to check a full image with more detail at a glance. The IR enhanced night vision. Two powerful IR lights will light up automatically when it detects no ambient light for 5 seconds, even in complete darkness. It can illuminate the rear view image within 3 meters to see all obstacles behind our car. It is helpful while driving on the highway or parking in the underground garage. And with upgraded long distance wireless signal, the 2.4 GHz digital wireless locks the cameras to the display, which provides a lag free and interference free footage, even at the speed up to 60 km per hour. It can efficiently reduce the risk of traffic accidents. It's ideal choice for large vehicles under 40 feet, like trucks, trailer, RV, vans, school bus, tractor, etc., etc., and a split screen for long-term observation. The monitor supports 2 camera inputs and features a split screen to show 2 videos simultaneously. We can install a second camera in different position of one vehicle to cover more blind spots. Or we install camera 1 on 2 vehicles, the second camera on a vehicle separately, one on the trailer and one on the tow vehicle, for example. And a wireless design for an easy DIY installation. We need to run a long cable. Not. That's important. Ooh, that's a new thing. We have not to lay down a cable from the camera up to the monitor. No, because it's wireless. Yeah, no cables through the vehicles. Just function them simply by connecting the power supply of the vehicle, respectively. Also, without the limitation of the length of the video cable, we can flexibly place the camera front, rear, or side to meet the needs of different car sizes. That's really great, baby. 7-inch large monitor to present a full image with more details to highlight IR light to eliminate view zones in darkness, and an upgraded long range transmission. Long range for large vehicle like RV, travel trailer, vans, trucks, bus, tractors as well. And a digital wireless signal without lag and interferences. A split screen for long-term observation. The wireless design avoids complications while it works. We no need to run the video cable from the rear to the front. No. And multifunction. 4 image flaps, 6 adjustable guidelines. Yeah, 135 degrees wide view angle. It can provide us a full view of 3 lanes of the road and eliminate the blind spots within 3 meters behind our vehicle. A view that a regular old rear view mirror just can't deliver. Also, we can mount the camera nearly anywhere and still capture the entirety of the road. We make us feel peace of mind when driving or reversing. And the upgraded viewing angle of the cam can be worked perfectly with the 7-inch monitor. To achieve the desired effect, we restore a vivid and a natural rear view image without any distortion or disproportionate extension of the subjects. Also avoid the image vignetting, soft edges issue. And we can use split screen, or we can use channel 1 for the first cam, or channel 2 for the second cam. The second cam is sold separately, okay? We have a 7-inch screen size, resolution 720p, the screen brightness is 500 candela in square meters, and the color sensor is a 1/3 inch color CMOS sensor. The view of digital angle is 135, and the power supply is DC 12 up to 24 volt. That means it can match your need on trucks with a 24 volt power supply. And the transmission frame rate is 25 frames. That's enough. The minimum elimination is OLux, fully automatic night switch, infrared light, fill light. The operation temperature is from -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 149. That's cool, because it's waterproof and durable camera system. IP68 waterproof standard and a drip-proof structure. There is no need to worry about the camera being damaged by rain or car wash. An outstanding temperature resistance, built to withstand extreme climates for a long lifespan. The camera can operate smoothly in temperatures as higher as 176 degrees Fahrenheit and as lower as -20. And possible with 4 image flips. The image flips including 4 modes: original, mirror, up and down. It ensures no matter when the backup camera installed on the rear, the front, the flip, we can flip the camera upside down, we can receive a normal image. And with adjustable camera angle, the backup camera can be rotated up and down by 90 degrees. After installation, we can change it to any angle to cover the blind spots we want. And it's really easy to pair. We enter the menu setting and select the cam, and then we are going to power on the rear camera. The camera and the monitor will be paired automatically in pairing mode, okay? The pairing timeout is default 30 seconds, so we have to ensure that the pair finish within the required time, of course, but 30 seconds is enough. And the power option of the monitor is awesome. We plug the car charger into the circuit light, the job's done. The second thing is, we cut the head of the car charger and wire it to the vehicle's fuse box. The red wire to the positive and the black wire to the ground. As we like, we can perform this. We have all what we need in the box: a 7-inch monitor with antenna, a mount holder with rotary knob, a camera, 0.4 meter cable included, and a car charger, 3.5 meter included. Then we have a power cable, a 1 meter, and a hole saw, and a self-tapping screws, 2 of them, to install this on our car easily. When we are installing the unit, we do not impair the equipment. We control units and system inside the vehicle, and we follow the local applicable laws and safety regulations for vehicles. We park in even and safe location. Before installation, our backup camera, we should test all the components on the product using this vehicle power on an external power supply to check if the product can work properly. This is really easy. Then we connect the power cable on the battery, okay? The red wire is connected to the positive pole, and the black wire is connected to the negative pole or to a ground on the car. We insert the car charger into the circuit light port and turn on the engine and power it on. After the above steps are completed, if the screen displays the image normally, it means the product is working normally. After the test is completed, installation can be performed. Oh yeah. And then we can install the monitor. We tear off the red sticker from the base of the mount holder and stick it on the dashboard. We press the base against the mounting surface for 15 seconds to ensure the sticker sticks firmly. The location of the monitor cannot impair the visibility of the driver, and we clean and dry the area before we are going to mount this monitor. The angle of the monitor can be adjusted by moving the monitor from the left or right or up or down. We do not remove the base after it is glued, as the adhesive tape may lose its thickness. Then we have nearly installed our camera not our camera monitoring system. If we need to remove the monitor, we can separate the monitor from the mount holder by unscrewing the rotary knob on the back of the monitor. We connect the monitor cable with the car charger plug. We plug the car charger into the 12 volt or 20 volt cigarette lighter port in our car. To avoid a poor contact, we should fully insert the monitor cable into the car charger cable. If a cigarette lighter or our car is not constant power, it has power after turning off the engine. In order to prevent the car battery from draining, please unplug the car charger before leaving the car. Then the next step is the backup camera. Oh, this product supports up to 2 cameras. The package comes with only 1 cam, okay? If we need, we can buy another one. The installation location of the backup camera is flexible, depending on the vehicle's models. It can be installed on the rear bumper of the vehicle or the roof of the vehicle, as you like, where you like. When confirming the installation location of the camera, we also need to check the signal reception of the camera's angle of view and evaluate whether the power cable is long enough. It is not long enough. We can extend the power cable by ourselves by using only a wire, okay? We open the inner plastic panel and remove it from the hatch or tail light. The panels are usually attached to the taillight by clips. This may take a little bit longer time to avoid clip damages. Once this panel is removed, the work will be done quick. We found the power wire. This is the positive of the reversing light and connect it to the red wire of the power cable. Then we connect the black wire of the power cable to the ground. It's an iron part of the vehicle. Then it's nearly done. Really easy, isn't it? Then we have seal everything, of course, and then we can start. That means if we go to the reverse gear, automatically the camera system will switch on and then we can see what's behind of us. On the monitor operations, there is a switch for cam 1 and cam 2. This is the channel switch. That means we can push there to come to cam 1 and cam 2 and of course split screen. Then we have an up and down arrow to go up and forward or backward. Then we have a menu, a return or a confirm button. This is the M button and an OK button to confirm. For easy way, let's go to press the M to access the menu, to navigate up and down. Then we have the choose of pair the monitor with the backup cameras, the BC control, we adjust the monitor brightness and contrast, the MU control, switch to mirror normal up-down images, then we have a guideline, activate or deactivate the guidelines, we can go to reset, that means return to factory resets. We press M or key to confirm our settings and exit the menu. For example, basic operations. We choose the size of the guidelines. We set the guidelines on, of course, in the menu. We put the car in reverse and the monitor shows the image, not the menu mode. We press and hold the M for about 3 seconds until the guidelines are flick. Then we press up and down to choose from the 6 different sizes. We press M or OK to confirm. The setting screen will close automatically if no operation is performed for about 5 seconds. Then the settings will be saved. And to pair another cam, for example, a second backup cam, we press M, then we go to select cam 1 or cam 2 and we go to the pairing mode. Then it will start when the camera gets power, of course. If we're going to the camera node, go to cam 2, make pairing and pair the other camera system. Jobs done. That's really, really easy. And the daytime and nighttime mode, the camera automatically switch to daytime mode in daytime or highlight conditions and the screen displays color images. The nighttime mode means the camera automatically switch to the nighttime mode in nighttime or low light conditions and the infrared lights turn on to fill the light when the screen display black and white images. When the light conditions suddenly change from dark to bright, the black and the white image will be switched to the color image after 5 seconds to avoid the image constantly jumps between the black and the white images, or color image when driving at night and being illuminated by the lights behind our car, for example. And we have a standby mode. When the product works normally, we press and hold OK for 3 seconds. The monitor turns off and enters into standby mode. It acts in standby mode after the pressing OK again, or when the cam 1 is triggered on the standby mode. The monitor turns on and shows the image again. So you can see it's really easy to attach, and you saw it. It's really easy. The only thing you have to do is find the line of your reverse gear, then bypass this by using the camera and the wire. And in the front side, the only thing is you have to pair it with the camera system, and your screen can be glued on top of our dashboard. Easy going, baby. This is the awesome out-of-box W10 wireless ROV backup camera with 7-inch HD monitor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.